Previous year questions of ESC, UPPSC AE, SSC JEE on the topic of fluid mechanics. So the first question is an ideal fluid. Options: one which obeys Newton's law of viscosity, frictionless and incompressible, very viscous, frictionless and viscous. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया SSC 2004 में. So ideal fluid is one that is frictionless and incompressible. So the correct option is frictionless and incompressible. That is option B is correct. Next question is Newton's law of viscosity relates to options क्या है intensity of pressure and rate of angular deformation, viscosity and rate of angular deformation, among shear stress, viscosity and temperature. None of these. Question पूछा गया SSC 2004 में. So Newton's law of viscosity relates to that means shear stress is directly proportional to shear strain. So that is tau is equal to that is mu du upon dy. So Newton's law of viscosity relates to that means viscosity and angular deformation. That is option B is correct. So next question is for a fluid the shear stress was found to be directly proportional to shear strain of angular deformation. The fluid is classified as options है non-Newtonian fluid, ideal fluid, Newtonian fluid, thixotropic fluid. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया SSC 2007 में. So shear stress is directly proportional to the rate of angular deformation, that is tau is directly proportional to du upon dy. So the fluid is classified as that is Newtonian fluid. That is option C is correct. Next question है poise is the unit of options है mass density, kinematic, viscosity, velocity gradient. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया SSC 2008 में. So unit of dynamic viscosity that is Newton second per meter square or poise. So the correct option is poise the unit of viscosity, that is option C is correct. Next question है the property of a fluid which determines its resistance to shearing stress is called options क्या viscosity, surface tension, adhesion, none of these. Question पूछा गया SSC 2009 में. So the property of a fluid which determines its resistance to shearing stress is called that is viscosity. That is option A is correct. Next question है if the diameter of a capillary tube is double, the capillary rise will be option है unaffected, double, halved and none of the above. Question पूछे गया SSC 2010 में. So capillary rise that is H is equal to that is 4 sigma upon that is rho GD. So H is directly proportional to inversely proportional to 1 directly proportional to 1 upon D. So if the diameter of the tube is double, the capillary rise will be halved. That is option C is correct. Next question है flow of fluid takes place due to its options क्या है viscosity, compressibility, surface tension, deformation under shear force. Question पूछा गया SSC 2010 में. So flow of fluid takes place due to its shear deformation under the shear force. That is option D is correct. Next question है the ratio of specific weight of a liquid to the specific weight of pure water at a standard temperature is called option क्या है compressibility of liquid, surface tension of liquid, specific gravity of liquid, density of liquid. Question पूछा गया SSC 2012 में. So the ratio of specific weight of liquid to the specific weight of pure water at a standard temperature is called that is specific gravity of liquid. That is option C is correct. Next question है the characteristic of an ideal fluid is options क्या है one which satisfy continuity equation, one which flow with least friction, one which obeys Newton's law of viscosity, frictionless and incompressible. Question पूछा गया SSC 2012 में. So the characteristic ideal fluid की होती है that is ideal fluid होता है that is incompressible होता है and frictionless. That is option D is correct. Next question है the pressure intensity in kg per centimeter square at any point in a liquid is option क्या है W, H upon W, W अपॉन एच, एच डब्ल्यू एच क्वेश्चन पूछे गए एसएससी 2011 में। सो प्रेशर इंटेंसिटी दैट इज P इक्वल टू होता है दैट इज रो जी एच। सो रो जी क्या होता है दैट इज स्पेसिफिक वेट, दैट इज W कह सकते हैं W इंटू एच। सो प्रेशर इंटेंसिटी दैट इज P इक्वल टू क्या होगा रो W इंटू एच, वेयर W स्मॉल w इक्वल टू स्पेसिफिक वेट। दैट इज ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। थैंक यू।